Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. Just want to do a quick recap on an XJ that we just got finished producing. It just got out of production, so there's a couple little things that we still need to wrap up during the testing phase of things. But this is a full stage 2 package with many additional upgrades. Starting off exterior, it's completely redone, all new paint, all new Kevlar all the way around. Like I said, there are a few little items that still need to be addressed on it, but the Jeep is about 95% completed. We repainted it in the factory Patriot Blue Pearl. Everything black that you see on this XJ has been completely refinished in Kevlar. Bumper caps, flares, rocker panels, raised portions of the roof, or excuse me, the hood. Everything else is completely repainted top to bottom. Jeep has our DAS Moab replica wheels. Those are our wheels with our particular offset that we had designed and made. Fit the XJ perfectly. We'll get into the interior in a moment, but beautiful contrasting leather throughout. New windshield, of course, new seals. All the glass comes out when we repaint. All gets reinstalled. All new seals. LED headlights. All the lenses all the way around, from headlights to tail lights to marker lenses, they've all been replaced. So essentially the entire exterior for the most part is new. Even the rack up top, that gets completely sanded down and refinished as well. Suspension wise, this has a full 3-inch lift. We don't use a lift kit because there's no kits out on the market to satisfy everything that we do. But every single suspension, steering, bushing that has anything to do with all those components has been fully replaced, upgraded. There's not one component underneath this Jeep in general that isn't replaced and upgraded. Kevlar gives a really nice finish, very, very durable. Look at that new Patriot Blue paint, beautiful metallic. Underneath the Jeep, when I say everything is brand new, every single component, from brakes, tie rod bar, tie rod ends, track bar, drag link bar, steering stabilizer, coil, sway bar end links, bushings, brakes, rotors, pads, calipers, control arms, differentials been reworked. Even we'll get into the engine in a little bit, but new oil pan, all new lines as you see up there, all grade 10 hardware as well. Brand new exhaust front to back. When we service the transmission, we drop the pan, clean it, refinish it. Everything underneath has to look brand new as well when we're done. Same thing with the transfer case, all the lines going down. New leaf springs, of course. New shocks in the back. Our exhaust is done here in house. It's all custom. Perfect bend coming out the corner, nice and clean and subtle. Looks really, really clean. People always ask us where we get that pipe. We actually custom make that here. The way it's tucked in nice and clean. .265, 75, 16 Wild Peak Falcon all-terrain tires. If you take a peek through there, And all the brake systems are brand new, from calipers, pads, rotors, lines, sway bar up front, drop down link, all new bushing, sway bars been redone. Everything is absolutely brand new. There's nothing underneath this Jeep that is original. So driveline wise, completely brand new engine. Everything inside the engine bay is also brand new as well. If you take a look through this grille, brand new radiator, brand new AC condenser. You also have a cooler up front. The entire AC system, compressor, evaporator, orifice tube, receiver dryer, condenser, heater core, all that's been replaced as well. The cooling system is all brand new. Upgraded injectors, fuel system, all that's been done. We'll have a laundry list on our website of what is actually done on this, which is just about everything. Beautiful interior. I always like to show this interior with the exterior because the contrast is just absolutely gorgeous with the Patriot blue. We went ahead and did the upper door panels with the perf to match as well. These are heated, and like always, we rebuilt all the bolsters. All new carpet throughout, so when we started this interior, it's completely gutted. Everything gets removed besides the dash, and the dash actually does get removed on this particular build because of the AC compressor, or excuse me, the AC evaporator and heater core. So we're starting with bare bones. Dyno mat the entire interior. Carpet goes in, redo the seats, rebuild the foam. Of course, heated elements inside. These seat brackets, we completely sand down, refinish them, redo them in black, apply grade 10 hardware because the factory hardware gets pretty funky, starts to rust because the bolt is exposed on the bottom end. And then these brackets will start to get nasty as well. So when we redo our seats, we just don't put our skins on there. We do everything from rebuilding the foam, redoing the seat, so everything looks brand new, not just the actual material on the seat. Took it a step further on this one and redid the steering wheel. This is all done in-house. Beautiful. Take a look at that stitching. This is not outsourced. It's all done here at Davis Autosports. New headliner, of course. We have many options with headliners with different materials. Rear pockets on the seats. We also have loops that we do for the seat belt buckles as well, so those stay nice and tucked in and in place. Got the inserts in here as well. We're starting to add a rear heated seat option for 2022. Carpet obviously continues back here throughout the entire cab, wheel wells and rear cargo. That door will get a new clip installed. Little things like that just get done over the course of the testing and tuning. Full audio package as well. All new speakers, navigation, backup camera, Bluetooth. There's your 3-level heated seats right there. Beautiful fall leaf. All new hardware on all 4 secure points with washers as well. This one, as you see, new door pins. Ton of other components that have been done on this Jeep that's not in this video. To get a full spec sheet on this, you can go to our website, davisautosports.com. Obviously diff covers throughout. You can see even hard brake lines. There's so many components that were not mentioned on this video that this Jeep has, so make sure to check that out. If you guys have any questions, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.